Page 6, Oh Come Little Children. 4/4 time. So we have to count to 4. There's 4 counts in a measure. And a quarter note gets a count. So that's what we're counting. If you look at the beginning, you see that the first measure only got 1 count in it. So it's a pickup measure. The last measure over at the bottom of page 7, that's got 3 counts in it. And what you do is you put the 1 and the 3 together, and in total it makes up 4 counts. So we're coming in on beat 4 here. And we're still in middle C position. So when we count it, it's like 4-1. 4, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And that's the counting pretty much. I'll let you go through and read the notes and figure it out. I don't want to play it for you, actually. I prefer you figure it out on your own. It has words, you can sing it if you want. Oh, sing it. And there's phrasing. See those curved lines? So we want to observe those. We want a little silence between each phrase. It's like taking a breath. So look at the top of page 7. In the first measure, you have the B in the left hand, and then you have a D in the right hand. Don't connect those. Lift up the B a little bit early before you play the D. It's here and then down. So that's like, we go on. Now that doesn't mess up the beat. The beat is steady. So you just cut the B a little bit short. 2, 3. And the same thing in the second line. Lift up. Of course, on repeated notes, you have to have silence, but I'm looking for just a little bit more silence than you'd get. And then in the last line, or the third line, you have those 2 E's in the last measure. Lift up, so it's a new phrase. And then otherwise, you connect the notes. So let's try this together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. This is after you've had time to play it and learn it. And you're just going to check with me to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. So I'm going to give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. So go ahead and put your hands in middle C position. And here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3, off. There is a duet part at the bottom of page 6. I'd like to play that. And you can play what you just played, but faster. And then you can hear a duet. You can play a duet with me. But I am going to go faster. I'm going to go more like about a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. About that fast. So make sure you can play it that fast before you try it with me. And the thing about playing duets, you have to be careful, is that the beat goes on. You can't hesitate. You can't stop in the middle of it because you messed up. Because the other person playing, they keep going. So you just got to keep going. So you have to be able to play this without any hesitations or glitches or anything before you can play a duet with somebody. That's kind of important, but it's a good skill to learn. You need to be able to play duets with people, play with other people, and so this gives us this practice at doing this. So I'm going to give 3 counts. Now, the duet part doesn't actually have a note on your pickup beat. You're by yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and play that pickup beat with you, and then I'm going to do the duet. Now to make this work, I need you to pretend middle C goes up an octave up here. And so put your hands up here and play the whole thing up here. Up here, because the duet part's down in this area and that won't sound very good if you're doing that. So play it all up there. Now go ahead and put your hands in middle C position, up where I showed you. Now give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.